so incredible. So have you ever seen one of these before?
I have not.
I've never seen airplane fireworks. Wouldn't you be a little afraid with gas in your tank?
I would.
I would be really afraid. Frisch needs to get out here. I can't believe he's missing this. Come on, Frisch.
So cool, I love it.
I have never seen anything like this. Whoa! Look, he just put the screws to it. Look at that. I put the screws to it. That is such an airplane piece. Oh, man. The question is that inverted? It's hard to say. So is that an inside loop or an out? Oh,
Yeah, you can't tell.
Oh, there. Yeah, you can't tell from south from with the dark. But I think that was an inside. So I think he's on top right now. Holy cow.